again, I'm happy to note, Your Excellency, you and I think the Honorable Musalem Davandi will recall that the last prayer breakfast of last year was a bit interesting in that today we talk about reconciliation. But during the last prayer breakfast of last year, it was very difficult to sit together on that table because we were indeed just pretending to be talking to each other. You recall, and indeed, congratulations, because you withstood it, and from there you went and gave away your daughter in marriage. I think this year's theme is one that we, all of us as Kenyan leaders, and indeed as a nation, should observe. Before I came here at about 6:15, I was watching television, and in one of the stations, I had somebody question, why do leaders congregate to pray, spend too much money when there are people who have nothing to eat?